Ain't giving up just yet. Part 2.
Oh, I'm gonna grab this thing. Good place for it. Remote. So I had actually left this thing outside overnight. It's under here, so it's all good. Body clips are still sitting right here. Gonna throw on the truck body just because it looks awesome. So anyway, this is RC Guy Garage, back out with the Redcat Racing Vigilante, trying to figure out the rear gearing. I know exactly what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. Well, not exactly. I'm 89% sure that I know what's going on. And even then, do I really know anything? Nah. Just like somebody was saying, all my content is fake for views. Stuff doesn't get any views, dude. So what the hell are you talking about? So all right, here we go. I'm gonna put the body on and then fire this thing up and we'll see what's going on here. On this next enthralling episode from your favorite RC God Garage. RC Guy Garage, man. Yeah, dude. If you know the channel, you know why I said that. And that thing looks sharp, dude. Come on. Just looks alone. This thing has got it. So, yeah. See what happens now. It's the next day. I just spent some time trying to shim the pinion gear further into the ring gear. The only movement, the only shimming I can do for this, or for me, is to be able to take that pinion gear and kind of slide it out a little bit, slide it closer to get better engagement, because that's what I'm coming across. I'm coming across the pinion is getting kicked too far forward. Let's see if this works. It's still the broken pinion. I'm not going to waste another pinion on testing. I'm not getting full tooth engagement, and that's my problem. So let's see if this works. All right. So I'm just gonna literally just do some nice drive-bys just to kind of break the gear in. Everything's all soaking wet too. I'm getting a good feeling. Oh, dude. I'm getting a good feeling. Ah! Nope. It's almost immediate. Someone was also saying they thought that my center diff was locked up too much. It's not. Watch. This truck is amazing. The rear gears are killing me, dude. It is actually better. I know it doesn't sound like it is. Because right now it should have been just totally stripping. So it is better. Now I'm dealing with about a third of gear contact missing, which is why it's skipping now, I believe. Because the largest section of meat is missing. But we're on the right path. And it's gonna get worse because I know pieces are chipping off. It's getting close, dude. It's getting close. Once I look at these shims, we'll see what these shims look like. I know it sounds horrible. Oh my God. The teeth, like I said, the teeth were already compromised. Whoa. Oh, all right, that's it. That gear is 100% wasted now. So, what did that tell me? Each time I do this, I can, how do you say you feel something when it's not by the seat of your pants? When you control something, the way it moves, you can sometimes tell that something is damn close to working. So it's only not working right now because that pinion was, like I said, it was missing a third of its teeth, meaning the whole, you call it the bottom or the top? It's kind of like it's the bottom. It's the highest profile, let's say that, on the bearing side. You know what I'm saying? So you've got obviously the side of the pinion that is smaller because of the way it meshes with the gears, right? The pinion angle or whatever. It's not even pinion angle. That's not the same damn thing, dude. It's hard to explain. The top half of the gear, every single tooth was chipped. Now, it just totally annihilated the rest of the gear. And I did kind of expect that, but I didn't want to throw another gear in here and see. What I want to see now is if the gear pattern has changed. Yeah. Redcat does have CNC gears. I'm just, like I'm saying, shouldn't have to go in that direction. That's the whole point of what I'm trying to do here. Should not have to go in that direction. That should be for Ultimate. I'm not at the Ultimate, dude. I'm still stock. 8S. People are saying, it's because the CNC gears are for 8S. These are only 6S gears. I'm kind of right there with you, dude. Yeah. Right there with you. Well, I'm going to take it apart now again and inspect the gears, take more photos, and see if I can see any change. There should be change. There's definitely going to be more teeth missing, or more of the tooth pattern missing. There you go. More of the tooth pattern missing. The section where I was getting contact, my contact patch. Because the contact patch initially was absolutely horrible. So it makes me wonder if the profile of the gear is wrong, or I don't know, man. So could be a bad batch of gears. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, man. Just working with what they gave me. So this is RC Guy Garage, and this is the Redcat Racing Vigilante, the rear end gear saga. I'll get it, dude. I'll get it. I just hate cleaning stuff.